Man.
Come on, Wallow.
Come on, what?
Ready?
I've been ready.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Who?
Motherfucker at that job. Motherfucker goddamn white man gonna break.
Bernie.
That motherfucker break. He eat his crackers and his cheese. And goddamn it, he back to work. Fuck around one of us. Kim Hope. You seen Johnny. When that motherfucker, when we break, we fucking break. And I'm gonna tell you about that word motherfucker. You seen motherfucker Johnny.
The man ain't dead.
When I see motherfucker Johnny, tell him I want my motherfucking money. If he don't have my motherfucking money, I'm gonna beat his motherfucking ass. I tried to tell his motherfucking mama I need to see that motherfucker, and she tried to cuss my motherfucking ass out. And I told her, motherfucking bitch, I'll kill you if I don't see that motherfucker Johnny. And when I see, I'm gonna whoop his motherfucking ass. And that's motherfucker Johnny. And tell me if you see that son of a bitch, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna put some Kool-Aid on his eyes and lips so he can't talk to me.
The nigga got that shit down.